Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. Today I have a dosage calculations video. I have a funky setup here, so sorry if it's, not ideal, but I wanted to go ahead and do a dosage calculations problem since most of my lovelies are entering nursing school this week. So we're going to go ahead and do the first question. We will be using dimensional analysis. If you don't know what that is, I do have some videos already describing dimensional analysis, but what it is, it's kind of a sure way formula not to skip any information in the question to get to the appropriate answer or the appropriate dosage. So if you haven't visited my YouTube channel, make sure you go ahead and do that at TheSassyMom82. I also have a Facebook group that I had just created called Student Nurse Support Group or something of that nature. I'll link it below so that way you can go ahead and add yourself to that group where we can go ahead and support and be there for one another during this difficult time in our lives, but most rewarding as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using a highlighter. We're going to highlight the important information. I do this for my exams as well, or I'll underline and circle. So that's what I'm going to do here. So the question states, the nurse needs to administer heparin 500 units sub-Q injection every 8 hours to prevent blood clots in a post-op patient. The pharmacy supplies a vial of heparin 10,000 units USP per mil. What is the amount of heparin that the nurse needs to administer? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to highlight the important information. So anything with numbers is important, so we're going to highlight anything with numbers. So we're going to be administering heparin sub-Q every 8 hours. We don't know if that's relevant yet, but we're going to get to it. And then we're going to take a different color and we're going to highlight what's supplied. So the pharmacy supplies a vial of heparin at 10,000 USP units per 1 mil. So what we're looking for is we are going to be looking for how much the nurse needs to administer. So usually for my particular exams it will say, for instance, ml of that nature, but this particular question doesn't. So we just need to find the amount of heparin that we need to administer. So we will be using DA. So we know that our order is 5,000 units every 8 hours. Okay, and the supply is 10,000 units USP per 1 mil. So what we're going to be looking for is we're going to be looking for milliliter. Okay, so we are going to start with milliliter here. So what I like to do is I like to look in the given information. This has 1 mil, and so I'm going to go ahead and match it with this. So we're just going to put 1 mil, and whatever information goes with 1 mil, you're going to go ahead and put it down below. So 10,000 units. And we're going to multiply, and then whatever has units up here has to have units here. So in our given information that we have available, we have units here. We've already used this and we've already used this. So we're going to go ahead and use the 5,000 units. And for this underneath, it's per dose. So we're just going to go ahead and put 1 for dose. It's just a filler. So we're going to go ahead and take we're going to multiply across. So it's 5,000. Over 10,000. Now these units cross each other out, so we're just left with 1 mil or mils, and that's what we're looking for. And then if you go ahead and do 5,000 divided by 10,000, you get 0.5 mil. So that is your answer. So that is basic dimensional analysis, very easy. There was no conversions done in this particular problem. But it's very easy to make sure that all your ducks are in a row if you are using dimensional analysis. But go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'll have more DA and dosage calculations coming real soon. I hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe, stay a while, join the family, and I'll see you soon. Bye!